Welcome to GuideKid. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram more option not showing on sensitive content control. So first thing you have to do, just go on Play Store and update your Instagram app if it's not. Now after that, just click on these three lines on top right corner. Alright. Now scroll down until you see this option Help under More Info and Support. Just click on it and now click on Report a Problem. You can also just shake your phone. For example, where your option is not showing, just go on the option, shake your phone. You will be able to type a response to Instagram that your option is not available. Please fix this problem. But in this case, I'm gonna just report problem without shaking. So just click on it and here click on include and continue. Make sure you have added your screenshot of the option not showing and here click on and type in hi, and after that just click on send. Alright, now if it doesn't work, verify your account with a government issued ID, and also please make sure you are above 18 or on your account. So make sure your date of birth is 18 or above 18 on your Instagram account. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.